In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best car scanner tools available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the car scanner tools mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, OTOFIX D1 Lite, OBD2 Diagnostic Scanner. The OTOFIX D1 Lite is perfect for DIYers and repair shops, offering OE-level full system diagnostics and 38 reset functions. Its remote expert feature allows professionals to solve complex issues remotely. The tool supports the latest DUI/CAN FD bus protocols for advanced vehicle connectivity. With a user-friendly interface and comprehensive scanning, it's a must-have for efficient repairs. Now available at a massive 57% discount. Number 4, Autel MaxiCOM MK900BT OBD2 Scanner. The Autel MaxiCOM MK900BT is a high-end car diagnostic scanner with an 8-inch touchscreen, bi-directional control, and 40 service functions. It supports the latest CAN/FD and DOIP protocols, offering a seamless experience for mechanics and enthusiasts. Upgraded from the 808 Malawian Kwacha series, it provides enhanced speed, accuracy, and wireless functionality, making it a top-rated tool. Now available at a 51% discount for a limited time. Number 3, Launch CRP129X version 2.0 OBD2 Scanner. The Launch CRP129X version 2.0 is a professional yet easy-to-use automotive scan tool for DIYers and mechanics. It features advanced code reading, real-time data streaming, and essential reset functions like oil reset and EPB reset. Its compact design, fast response, and wide vehicle compatibility make it a great tool for quick and accurate vehicle diagnostics. Grab it now at a 51% discount for an unbeatable deal. Number 2, Diagbox V9.150 Advanced Diagnostic Tool. Diagbox V9.150 is an essential car diagnostic tool for professionals, specifically designed for Citroën, Peugeot, DS, and Opel vehicles. It comes with updated software for the latest compatibility and requires no activation, simply plug in and start diagnosing. This tool is trusted by automotive experts worldwide for its reliability and precision. Take advantage of the 22% discount and enhance your vehicle maintenance capabilities. Number 1, Thinkcar BD6 OBD2 Diagnostic Tool. The Thinkcar BD6 is an advanced OBD2 diagnostic tool designed for full system scanning of all OBD-I/EOBD vehicles. Supporting 12 languages and offering lifetime free updates, it ensures long-term usability. With Bluetooth connectivity, users can easily set up and access diagnostics via a mobile app. It's an essential tool for DIY car enthusiasts looking to troubleshoot and fix issues efficiently. Get it now for a competitive price and experience hassle-free diagnostics.